Enjoy the little things, garden stepping stone. Super cute. Slide it off here. Look at the color. It really stands out and pops. You got the little red specks here. And I can put it down and it doesn't not break easily or crack. I've actually had this about 3 years. And last year I had it kind of like in a little garden. And this year I have it like on the steps on the way walking up. Just like this here. See, like just the way on the way walking up to the door, the front door. I just have it kind of sitting there. And it looks so cute. If you want to know kind of the size, like this is, I mean, I don't have a large hand at all. I probably have like a normal size, but it's bigger than that in comparison. And it is really, if you look here, there's a hand crawling on it, but the texture looks nice, kind of like a rock. It did look really nice in the garden too last year, but this year I decided to put it kind of just in the walkway on the way into the house.